So guys, we have our sample project on. Let's insert our text. Be a good boy. Now the text style, text color, size, position the text properly. Tap on this button, duplicate the text layer, select the duplicate layer, edit text, change the color to the color you want. Back to the main timeline, import a rectangular shape, move and transform. Try to cover the word you want to have different color. Tap and hold on the left button of the shape layer, then the second color text layer. Now from the top, select the middle button and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.